Hi folks, Terry Brown here, and I want to thank you for stopping by to check out this quick message video. Okay, and as you can see, I'm going to be talking about the Instant Cash Solution Program. And I'm real excited about this program because it really is an easy, simple program to do, easy to share, okay? And you can make some really good money sharing this business. So that's what excites me. I know people can make money with this opportunity. So if you would, draw your attention here with me where it says make money from home online, okay? And it says make $150 to $300 per day. And you can actually make more than that per day. The potential is very, very real here, okay? It's a matter of getting started, and it's a matter of sharing this with people, okay? It says here that this is a simple copy and paste system that works, and it really does, okay? Here's what you'll be doing. Copy and paste our pre-written ads, so you don't have to think about what to say or what you're going to share, what to write, because that's done for you. Post these ads on classified ad sites, okay? Post these ads on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, etc., okay? And people will respond to your advertising, okay? Invite prospects now that reply to view a short webinar. And our automated sales funnel does all the telling, the selling, and the explaining for you so that you don't have to do that. And so you can easily earn now $100 to $300 and more per day. Now, if this sounds like something that may interest you, I want you to stay with me for the next few moments, okay? Do you like the idea? Just think about this for a moment. Do you like the idea of getting cash paid to you every single day? With this system, it's a direct pay, daily pay program, okay, where you can make money every single day with this program here, okay? Now, with the Instant Cash Solution Program, it's potentially, okay, easy to earn $200 or more per day. Now, you've got to put in the work, okay? There's no business out here that really can guarantee you that you're going to make money, all right? But we've got a system where you definitely can make money if you share this program every single day, okay? And all you need is 30 minutes a day to do this, okay? It's really, really simple to do. There's no experience necessary, and you're going to get step-by-step instructions so that you can become a success in this opportunity. And so we want to invite you now, and I want to invite you to take action today, okay? Take action and get started with us today. But before I close this video out, I've got something that I've been waiting to share, and I want to share it with you today. So stay with me, okay? And because I got an offer for you. Now, here's what's going to happen when people join with me in this business, okay? I put together what I've entitled the Motivated Marketers Program, and you get that for free. Whatever level you decide to come in this program, you're going to be able to get my Motivated Marketers Program, and you're going to be able to you invite whoever you bring into the program to be a part of that as well, okay? Absolutely free for anybody on our team, okay? Whether you bring them in or whether I bring them in, they can become part of my Motivated Marketers Program. What's it about? It's about inspiration. It's about motivation. It's about marketing ideas and sources and strategies with a whole lot more to come, okay? And it's a daily support program. So, if you're busy as a sponsor, guess what? Then we're going to help you to help other people. Isn't that powerful? You're going to be able to help the people that you bring in, because if you bring people into a business, you want them to be successful. You want them to make money. And so what we're going to do is that we're going to provide daily inspiration, daily motivation, ideas about marketing, resources, strategies, all of that with the Motivated Marketers program. Well, I think I've said everything I wanted to say in this video, and I want to invite you once again to grab that link and access the information. Get started today. Don't delay. We've got something to share with you to help you to make money with our program. All right. I'm wishing you a blessed day today. Hope to see you on the inside really, really quick. Bye-bye now.